What's up traders, it's Only Focus. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about taking risk, learning from the losses and pushing through the grind of the market. I took two trades today, one on NAS 100 and one on the US 30, and let's just say they didn't go quite as planned, but that's all a part of the trading game. Let's go through these setups and see what went wrong. Let's analyze them. Let's see what I could have done better and what I will do better in the next upcoming trading video. If you're ready to dive in, let's get into it. We are waiting for 8:30 open, so I'm just gonna mark up some levels for this day. See that we broke a level here. Also, we have relatively equal levels right here and right here. I'm gonna mark up that real quick. There you go for the BBL. BBL is what I call buy side liquidity. I'm gonna go up to our 1 hour time frame and see what happened. Yes, this is ready. This goes back way here. We have a wick right here. This is a rejection block to this one.
Got the kick.
And we're gonna drag it out in time. Right there, looking nice, looking nice. We have order block right here. Price respecting this very well. So my bias is bearish for the day. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, so my bias is bearish. We feel this imbalance great. This imbalance was felt great. This on my this is an intermediate high. A high that has filled a fair value gap completely. Mostly on the higher time frames. What else do we want? If you've watched my recent videos, you would know what a SMT is. We check on the other pairs that correlate with NAS 100 to find different movements in price, and we see on NAS we broke, but on US 30 we did not. So maybe there's a trade opportunity on US 30. Stay tuned to find out. Next episode. Alright, let's see. We broke this high. This was also an SMT. It's broken. Came into the rejection block. Took a high. It's an SMT and the US 30. So let's go to the US 30 time frame. US 30 pair right now. And mark it up. So basically it's here to here. Well, let's confirm this on NAS. Confirm it on the 15-minute time frame. On NAS we broke going up, but we failed to break on US 30. So let's drop this week. So this high, this looks like the high right here on SMT. Maybe it's gonna break it, but according to me that's an SMT. Maybe the swing high has not formed as yet, but according to me that's an SMT. According to what I have learned, that is a SMT. Maybe there's a trade opportunity on the US 30. Let's try the US 500. Let's see if we... Alright, so we correlate well with the US 500. We did not break. That's good news. That means on the US 500, forming an SMT right there. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. Go back on NAS. NAS is the pair that I like. Honestly, I love NAS. Been trading NAS for a short period of time, but I like NAS. I like NAS. Let's see in 1 hour. So we're expecting NAS to break and do what it does. Our TPs are down here because this is also an imbalance. This is also a breaker. So maybe price would react off of this level. Let me show you quite clearly. This level right here is a breaker. Maybe price should want to do something with it. I do not know yet, but I would take partials right here and look for the day to expand even lower if I'm in a trade. Okay, let's go. 1 hour, 15 minutes. We're just gonna wait for 8:30. Yeah, we have 8:30 right here. Let's mark up 8:30 real quick. And the 15-minute time frame. So we're looking for manipulation above 8:30. I'm kinda liking the straight line instead of the dashed line. For real, for real. Yeah, I'm liking the straight lines a bit more. Let's see what 8:30 does above just the liquidity. So we're gonna wait for this. Begin the time lapse.
Making raindrops, tick-tock, non-stop, all the strings of my heart again. Losing sleep 'cause I see you in my dreams. I don't wanna, someone get me over it. Losing sleep 'cause I see you in.
We have a breaker right here. If price respects this, I will have to wait even longer to get my entry. Again, our bias is bearish already. We don't take buys. If you see the market respecting the buy side, we just won't trade. Mindset, mindset, mindset. So to give me confidence in this trade, in this market, I want this candle right here, to disrespect this breaker, this fair value gap, or the next one. I do not want it to respect it if I'm looking for sells. Looking good for the day so far. What can price give us? Because we want to eat, we're hungry. What can price give us? What can the market offer us today that will make us satisfied? So the day doesn't have to flip. Yes, it has to flip. Well, no, don't quote me on that. The market does what it wants. I just run with the market when it runs, and I stop when the markets show signs of stopping. So we have relative equal highs here. This means that liquidity has been taken out. We are bearish in my eyes. What we want to see is the disrespect. Disrespecting of this fair value gap right here. We have an order block right here. Some light. It's not looking good for price. Price is giving me bullish momentum. Oh, okay. There was another OB right here. We took off of that. Filled 1, 2 fair value gaps. There's a breaker right. Well, no, this is not a breaker in my eyes. This, however, this isn't even a breaker. 3 fair value gaps. That's my shift right there. In my eyes, in my mind, we're going to the bearish side now. Let's see. If you're new to the channel, if you enjoy the content you see posting, if you want to join on the journey and see where I go from here, please hit that subscribe button. You can hit that like button as well. I hear it helps with the algorithm. I wouldn't know. But let's see. The swing point is right here. So it seems that maybe we're gonna form a fair value gap up here. I don't know. And then, well, we ain't forming no fair value gaps. What are you talking about, mate? So we're gonna draw this out in time. We want this to be our market structure shift. Let's get that some. Let's get price is going nowhere. Wait a minute. I'm not seeing bears yet because we respected a fair value gap right here. And now we are jumping. So no, there are no bears in the market yet. We respected an order block. We tapped this order block and we respected the fair value gap and the 3 minute. If you don't know what order block I'm talking about, this one is a 15-minute order block. So this is price right now, respecting. Wow, okay. So maybe we're getting our swing low to go low. Haha. Imagine it's not 9:30 yet and price is doing all this. We got 10 AM news. So this shows bullish momentum in my eyes because we are respecting this. It's not really an order block, but you get the idea. You get the idea. It is an order block. Before we even continue, let us see our correlating pairs. We saw some bearish move on US 30. Did it follow through? Did it follow through? We broke the SMT. Did we? Oh no, we didn't. Let's see what the 5-minute did while I was not looking. Came down, took another and came down, ready to expand below this. This would be a decent entry. It would be a real decent entry, but we got a big rejection from. That is crazy. So we did not break this. I was indeed confident that this would have not been broken because it's an SMT. We don't break SMT around here. So I entered a trade on the US 30 off of this fair value gap right here. It looks nice. It looks nice, but as you can see where I'm at, stop loss can be hit right now. TP is TP is a stretch. No, it's not a stretch. It's realistic. This is where price realistically goes with these trades. Let me show you TP. So I entered here. Now let me remove this Fibonacci so you can see price well. So I entered here. Stop loss is below the second candle of the fair value gap, above the second candle of the fair value gap, just like I said I do. And my TP is that's a 1 to 6.9, so that's a 1 to 7. Yeah, 1 to 7. Let's see what price does. We're not selling and praying. We want to see what price does to this stop loss. It can hit it right now. What? It took me out at $12. That's crazy. Let's see that. History. It was a bad trade, really. I just wanted to trade. So we lost. The commission for closing the trade is 4 cents, and we lost $11. So we got slippage because my stop loss was 10. Okay, so this has slippage. Oh, and we have 2 commissions, one for entering the position and one for closing it, so that 8 cents. Alright, so we failed the US 30 trade. Let's go and journal that real quick. Let me see NAS first. NAS is doing nothing. Yeah. Alright, so NAS, we look like we are going to be able to get an entry if we get good displacement below this level. I'm talking good displacement. 930 is up and coming. Let's see what we can get out of NAS today. There's a reason I prefer NAS over anything, bro. Anything. So welcome to 930. A regular 930 day. This is price shooting to the sky. You get me? Yeah. So it seems like we're gonna get an entry right here, guys. Let's see. We can just sell. Honestly, we're gonna just have to sell. 1, 2. The second candle is right here. Where's my stop loss? Shit. Oh, I have to modify it. Okay. And then TP. Never used this before, guys. The trade I took that I lost was my first ever time using the thing. So I disrespected the fair value again. That's not a good sign. So SL can be hit anytime soon now. So let's look at NAS. Oh, this is NAS. No, bad. Let's look at US 30. We want it to go up here, but it's moving slow. Now this is about it. Stop loss. Yes, it is. Let's watch our trade together. Even though I don't really watch trades, I just leave it. This is I lost the trade. So I took one on NAS and I took one. So this is, so I lost $20. That counts as 2R, by the way, because I risked 10. Yeah, but I didn't set positions, I just risked 1 unit. So that's 2 losses today. We'll do better tomorrow. We'll do better tomorrow. Or maybe I'll lose again tomorrow. It's a losing streak, honestly. Wait, it's a losing streak. It's definitely a losing streak. Yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I'm not trading anymore for the day. This was a learning experience, if I do say so. Now I learned from the US 30 trade that, bro, just wait for 9:30. If I waited for 9:30, look what happened at 9:30. We swept some highs, and after we swept, we dumped. So maybe I wouldn't even taken a 9:30 trade, but I wouldn't have lost that trade either. The NAS trade, I think I could have waited for more confirmation that we were going bullish. Price was saying up and I was thinking down all along. So I think because of how the 1 hour looked, it looked well. Rejection block right here. We swept, you know, and price is just saying all-time highs, and I didn't read that from price. It was just saying all-time highs. We're going back to all-time highs. So when in and out day ends, yeah, another video coming soon. I'll recap all of last month, which is November, how that month went, what I did in that month, and what else trades I took, how I took those trades, and so on and so forth. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I don't make short videos. My videos are at least 20 minutes, 15 minutes, between that range. Subscribe if you're new, if you enjoy the content. Smash that like button, I hear it helps with the algorithm.